It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
What if your next backyard barbecue could be stress-free, even if you are nowhere near the grill? Meet the Meatmeet Pro wireless meat thermometer, the smart kitchen upgrade you never knew you needed. This sleek waterproof thermometer connects to your phone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, giving you full control through the Meatmeet app. With a long-range booster and real-time alerts, you can relax with guests or run errands, all while tracking your cook perfectly. The ultra-thin stainless steel probe handles temperatures up to 660 degrees Fahrenheit or 349 degrees Celsius. It is incredibly accurate too, reading within just zero point 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. And with only a 50-minute charge, you get up to 50 hours of battery life, ideal for slow roasts and long grilling sessions. Isn't it time your kitchen worked as smart as you do?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home.